you're already spending hours a day on TikTok, you might want to consider how you can monetize your hobby. Turn your TikTok obsession into cash. As of 2024, there are nearly 150 million TikTok users in the United States, and with a staggering 1 billion active users worldwide across 40 plus countries, TikTok isn't just a trend, it is a gold mine for potential earnings. Named the most downloaded app in 2022 and is becoming the new search engine for Gen Z, it is time to explore how you can monetize your TikTok hobby and start making serious money. But before we dive in, I will start by addressing some frequently asked questions on TikTok monetization. Number 1. Who makes the most money on TikTok? According to Influencer Marketing Hub, these were the highest earners on TikTok as of November 2023. Charlie D'Amelio estimated annual earnings $17.5 million with over 148.7 million followers. Dixie D'Amelio estimated annual earnings $10 million with 57.5 million followers. Addison Rae estimated annual earnings is $8.5 million with 88.7 million followers. Bella Poach estimated annual earnings $5 million with over 92.4 million followers. Josh Richards estimated annual earnings $5 million with over 26 million followers on TikTok. The second frequently asked question is, how do I get paid on my TikTok account? How you get paid depends on the method you choose to monetize your TikTok content. Usually you will get paid through whichever app you use for monetization. Whether that's a tipping platform, TikTok's own creativity program, a crowdfunding site, or your own online store platform in the case of selling merch or your own products to your fans. To start making money through TikTok's creativity fund, you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You also need to have at least 10,000 followers. You must apply to the TikTok Creativity Fund through a pro or a creator's account. Deciding how to monetize TikTok users becomes easier once you have gained a deeper understanding of your target audience. There is no single approach to monetization, but the highest earners usually maintain a number of complementary income streams. From sponsored content to organic marketing, the opportunities with TikTok are virtually endless. If you don't know me, I am Bobe Chiambah, founder and CEO of C Media Group, where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Number 1, join the TikTok Creativity Program. Users who have built a substantial following might consider making money through the TikTok Creativity Program. Announced in February 2023 and launched in May, this program replaces the TikTok Creator Fund. US-based creators with at least 1,000 followers and 100,000 authentic video views within the past 30 days are eligible to join this program. Eligibility to join this program are: number 1, users must be at least 18 years old to sign up. Users must meet the minimum follower and video view requirement. User accounts need to be in good standing. Creators already enrolled in the TikTok Creator Fund can upgrade to the Creativity Program. 2, sell your own products. Selling your own products on TikTok is good for monetizing nearly any type of content. Creators, whether they are dancers, singers, or comedians, can make and sell products to their most loyal fans. 3, promote songs. You can earn money on TikTok by promoting songs in your videos. Record labels or artists will pay TikTok users to use a certain song in their video in an attempt to get the song to go viral. You can earn up to $250 per video with TikTok's playlist push program. The exact amount of money you earn on a video will depend on how many views it generates. To join the program, you can apply as a TikTok creator. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. 4, TikTok Rewards Referral Program. TikTok will pay you to recommend the platform to your friends. When you help TikTok grow its community, you can earn money through the TikTok Reward Referral Program. All active TikTok users who reach minimum age requirements can refer new users to the app in return for TikTok reward points. 5, monetize using the series feature. If you're using a personal TikTok account, you can charge viewers for premium content by putting a video collection or series behind a paywall and charging viewers for access. Note that business and political accounts cannot use this feature. Your series can have up to 80 videos with 30 minutes each, and you can price the series anywhere from $0.99 to $189.99. What are the type of content that might go in a series? Ideas from TikTok include showing your fitness or beauty routine, or walking viewers through your favorite recipe. 6. Go live for virtual gifts. Most social networks have a live streaming feature, but what makes TikTok unique is that it allows followers to show their appreciation in real time by sending virtual gifts which can be redeemed for payment. Live gifting is one of TikTok's most useful features for creators looking to monetize their content through live streaming. Engaging with users in real time is great for building valuable relationships with your fans. Audiences that have a strong connection to a creator tend to develop a personal stake in their success, which means going live can help boost other monetization streams as well. 7. Affiliate partnerships. One of the most innovative ways TikTok allows its creators to make money is through its creators marketplace. The creator marketplace helps connect the right brands to the right influencers, facilitating partnerships in a way that is fast and easy for both parties. TikTok makes it easy to create valuable sponsored content. Brands looking to run an affiliate marketing campaign can browse the marketplace and quickly shuffle through content made by creators they know and open to collaboration. The creator marketplace acts as an influencer agency, letting both sides indicate their willingness to work with one another. That relieves some of the awkwardness of approaching influencers, which marketers may have experienced with influencer marketing on other platforms. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. 8. TikTok Shop. Another way to make money on TikTok using affiliate links is through TikTok Shop. Shop is TikTok's tool for in-app shopping, allowing users with business accounts to create shoppable videos and live streams. When using TikTok Shop, you can tag products when they feature in your videos. It is a natural way to draw your viewers' attention to an item that you want to promote. You can also add product information and buy buttons to your content to drive traffic to your affiliate partner. 9. Create in-feed ads. TikTok has a ton of great organic marketing opportunities, but if you're willing to spend to expand the reach of your content, you might consider creating your own in-feed ads with the TikTok Ads Manager. TikTok ads appear in users' For You feeds and autoplay like any other TikTok video. With paid ads, you can make sure your videos are reaching audiences that are most interested in your products. 10. Crowdfunding projects. You put a lot of time and effort in creating content for your fans, so offering an easy, non-pressure way for them to give back is great for securing a regular income stream. That's where crowdfunding can play a role as one of the most accessible making money avenues for creators. Crowdfunding can take many forms depending on what type of funding you are looking for. If you're looking for startup funds for a specific project, you could use TikTok to rally your followers, set up a funding goal, and hosting live funding events. 11. Collect tips. For a fast and easy way to collect donations, consider using a tipping platform. Tipping platform work just like a real life tip jar, and viewers who like your videos can thank you with a small donation. The option is available to fans but not mandatory, and they can donate any amount they want at any time they like. Before you can start collecting tips, you must meet TikTok's eligibility requirement. You have to be over 18 years old and with at least 100,000 followers. No single tactic is likely to launch you into record earning, but with practice using multiple tools, from getting sponsorships to selling with TikTok Shop, you can carve out a potentially profitable platform for yourself. Aim for a consistent experience with your content, including the look and how often you post. Cohesion allows people to familiarize themselves with your brand, know what to expect, and start to anticipate your specific style of video according to TikTok. If you are interested in making money on TikTok now and you have less than 10,000 followers, plus you are not in an eligible country for TikTok creativity program, I highly recommend you watch this video next. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.